What's going on, guys? So today we're working on 2021 2.0 Honda Accord, and going to install caliper cover from High-Rev Sport. So as for this one, it's gonna come with 4 pieces of the calipers. Small ones goes in the back, long ones goes to the front, and what's gonna come with the package is your installation manual. It's also going to come with the clips. It's not actual clips, but then you're actually going to use an Allen key and some wrench, which is going to come with it as well. Unless you don't want to use that, you could use a drill with the drill bit of H5-32, 532, sorry. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. So first, this one right here with the rubber part, this one goes on the top, and where the metal tubing is in the bottom. So first, what you're gonna align is this one right here, this tab, the hook tab, right in here, where you can see it. So, and once you install it right over here, the top is going to look like here, which is the removable tab. This right here is going to look something like that. You can install it, but I actually need 2 hands, so I'm gonna show it to you once I finish it. Okay guys, so finally it hooked up. Kind of gave me a hard time. So what you're gonna do is like locate the space between the brake disc and the rotor right here, and the hook that I showed you earlier, there's gonna be a space in here. That's where you're gonna insert it. So one is that is hooked on. So what you're gonna do, it's not gonna be a plug and play. You're gonna have to use a little bit of force. You're gonna have to push the disc brake towards the car, to your left if you're working on my angle, in order to hook the clip on. So one is that in, you're gonna go ahead and move to the front. So I've already installed, same thing with the front. This is the removable one, and this is the removable clip. So same thing, you're gonna have to move the disc brake towards the car and put the tab in. And once that's in, so what I usually like to do, since that's in and there's still a little bit more gap, use a plier, pull it together, make sure everything nice and tight, and we're just gonna go ahead and put the screw in and the bolt. So it's up to you whether you want to use the tools that they gave you, the Allen key and then the wrench. But with this one, since the wheel is off, I'm just gonna use the screw and wrench. Just gonna lock this in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and lock that and show you the result. All right guys, so that's in, and don't worry about the blue one, it comes with the screws. So I guess just to make it tight. And one last thing is try to move the caliper around and see if everything is all secure. And once that is all done, it's pretty much the same thing with the front. And the front one is a little larger compared to the back one. So same thing, same installation, same process, it's just different size. And also make sure the rubber tube is facing up, and where the metal tubing is on the bottom. And once again, there's gonna be 2 tabs right here. So you just push it so you have enough room to lock it in where the actual caliper is. To grab into it, make sure everything's nice and secure. And same thing with the top one. It's pretty much the same thing. At least with the top one, you have more room to push the clip in, since this one is detachable compared to this one. But I guess that's the way how it is to keep everything nice and secure. And that's pretty much it. All right, so for clarification, since I'm already here, so same thing as the process. You're gonna push the clip in right here in the front. The only thing I like about the front one is you have enough room. You don't really have to push the disc brake, since you have enough room right over here. Let me get a good angle. And especially at the bottom, this one right here. So you see, you have enough room in the front compared to the rear one. So this one just like would easily snap on. And just like what I said earlier, try to wiggle it, make sure it's not like wobbly or anything. And once that's done, test it out, like spin the wheel. But then this one, it's really hard. So we're just gonna go ahead and test it out, take the car for a spin, and once that's all done, nothing's wrong, then that's it. So once everything's all secure, we're just gonna put the wheel back in. And I would highly suggest to rotate the wheel. And if that's not enough, I would take the car for a spin and try to see if there's gonna be some rubbing issues or whatnot. And if not, then everything's all installed. Also, this video is not responsible for improper installation or misinstallation. This is just for your base and review, where as like a reference. And this video, once again, is not responsible for improper installation. This is just for entertainment. So that's pretty much it. So that's all for today's video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in our next one.